is the deal? And before you ask, yes, I'm losing weight. What's up, y'all? Papa always want to get in the video. Papa need to start his own YouTube channel and stop clout chasing. What's up, y'all? It's the Tastemaker and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing this India Love inspired hair tutorial. Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set. I gotta tell them to quiet on the set. But yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing this India Love inspired hair tutorial. Recently, India Love attended the Pretty Little Thing. Like they had like a new showroom that they opened here in LA. She attended and she looked so freaking cute in her pictures. And I thought this would be a cute hairstyle to do and show you guys how to do. I've done this hairstyle before, but it was just a little bit different. And I tested it out last night on a wig and I did like how it turned out. You're not gonna need a whole lot of products for this hair tutorial, which is gonna be great, so you don't have to worry about like weighing down your hair. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the unit that I have is from Dolago. This is the packaging that the wig was sent in. It's just like one of these little zip bags or whatever that I broke. And then there was nothing like really special on the inside. It was literally just the wig. And if I'm not mistaken, this is an Amazon seller. I'll show you guys clips of what the hair looked like so you guys can get a vibe for the inside construction, how it looked originally when it came out.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
So, good morning, you guys. This is Wednesday. Here is my fresh sweet clean wig. I wanted to show you guys this thing. It's like a little bit of a wave pattern. It's not like bone straight. And I kind of like it because of the roots are not like too straight. You see how it has a little, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. Yeah, it has like a little wave. I don't know. But I really like the hair. The hair smells great. I have some new products that I am using. I'll share that in like a monthly favorites video or something soon. So yeah. And this hair is really gorgeous. It smells freaking amazing. So yeah. I did bleach the knots. I didn't go crazy with the bleach because I actually need to pick up my favorite bleach. I've been using this other bleach that I'm not really a big fan of. Yeah, I hate this bleach, but it got the job done, I guess. So I just woke up, you guys. I know I'm looking like a little crazy. I ain't brushed my teeth yet or nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my makeup. Then after I do my makeup, we'll do hair on camera with you guys. So yeah. So I've already pressed this unit out, just the roots. I've bleached the knots on here and everything. So this is what it is currently looking like. I absolutely hate the bleach that I'm currently using. So I'm gonna go back to what I know. I absolutely love how the hair smells. So this is the wig after it's pretty much just been like air dried or whatever. And then I did show you guys a clip of what it looked like when just a moment ago. The only thing that I just changed to the wig was pressing the roots out because I don't want the ends to be straightened for this hairstyle that we're doing today. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the lace in foundation. Where is my foundation brush? Y'all know I ain't never got stuff that I need. So I have my brush that I'm going to need today. I'm going to be going to pick up some new stuff today because I'm running out of a lot of things. Like I have so many things that I'm running out of. Foundation is one of them and we have to have our foundation. And I do want to vlog. I know some of you guys were saying, hey, we want to see some vlogs or whatever. And I am going to be uploading some vlogs soon. But you guys, I've been really working. I have a lot of projects that I have to get done. Because my rent ain't free and my bills ain't cheap. Hello. So yeah, I'm just literally going over the frontal with this makeup It's just my foundation. You can use a lighter foundation, one that's like not your color if you wanted to, but I find that using the foundation that I use for my face works just fine and it looks natural. And then today I'm gonna be trying the razor method. I know y'all like YouTube and all these methods, child. All these methods, I can't keep up. There's so many. There's so many of them. When I cut my lace off, I'm going to attempt to do it on with this on. I don't know how that whole situation is gonna work out, honestly. I really don't. This is a 13x6 lace frontal, which means that it's 13 inches across, 6 inches deep. You see all that space you get. The only thing I don't like is that this part, it's like the sides. I hate when that happens with wigs, like when they make wigs like that. Like I want to have my edges. I don't want to be, because it's like if that's the case, then technically I just have a closure wig. You know what I mean? Like, okay, you can do your little sides right here, barely. One thing that I want to do before I put this on, because this has tracks right here, because the tracks start here and the parting is a little weird, I'm going to actually put the wig back on my mannequin head, part it how I want to part it, and then put the wig on, so that way, because I can't see behind here for later, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, you guys, so my lighting is gonna be going in and out because the weather is a little weird today. It's trying to rain, but the sun is still out, so y'all know how those days go. So I do have my studio light, so hopefully that helps, but if my lighting is changing, that's the reason why. So I went ahead and I put my wig in 2 ponytails, and then what I did with the sides that I don't want to end up putting in a ponytail, I just braided them so that way I can make sure that they're out of the way and I don't have to like mess up my parting that I did. So yeah, this is what I mean. So this would be like the back part of my hair, and there's like tracks right here. So what I did was I just braided this out of the way, so that way once I take the rubber bands out and do my ponytails for real, because this is the front, so this is the front part, this is the side, and then this is the back. So yeah, I just put it like this so that way we know what to do. And then the other side is the same way. I have this side in the ponytail, and then the rest is just down and plain. I do have my flat iron heating up because I think I'm just gonna do keep it like straight. I'm not gonna like curl it or anything, but if I do decide to curl it, of course I will do that on camera with you guys, but I'm thinking I might do it straight.
Personally, I'm surprised you bought me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me.
I mean, if you do your stuff like that, congratulations. I can't do that. That's taking too long.
You took it well. I miss, I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valve, give me another hour or two. I walk too. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you do better than you do. Got me looking for it. I'll be looking for it. Got me looking for it. So we can show baby, show baby, show baby, show
T-Pain, Young Jock. Hey, she snapping. Snap your fingers, just there. You can do it all by yourself. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you, let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, you know me. Convict music, nappy boy. I know the club goes at 3. What's the chances of you rolling with me? Back to the crib, show you how I live. Let's get drunk and forget what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like talk to me. I talk back. Let's talk money. I talk back. Won't juice bombs. Oakley shades. Shorty got class. Oh, behave. Let's get going. Walk it out. Just like that. That's what I'm talking about. We gon' have fun. You gon' see. On that Patron, you did like me. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like let's get gone. Walk it out. Walk it out. Ain't nobody. Oh, snap. Now rock. You can do it all by yourself. Let's get gone. Walk it out. Walk it out. Ain't nobody. Oh, snap. Now rock. You can do it all by yourself. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like
Okay, so I accidentally cut my little fang bangs too short. Now I low-key might have to swoop them in, and I don't want to really do that. Whatever. Anyway, let me just straighten out my hair.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fucking white horse and a carriage.
I'm really mad about my little bangs. They too short. So although I don't like my buns right now and I cut my bangs too short, I have to fix my buns. But the hair flat irons very beautifully. I really like how the hair flat iron. I feel like I still have some kinks in here somewhere. Yeah, like up under here. But yeah, I really like how this hair flat irons. This is what it's looking like so far. I think with my buns, what I might do is I might get like some bobby pins to like pin them down right where I want them. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I know y'all like, girl, can you stop leaving us? But I pin my buns so that they're like somewhat how I want them. It's not perfect, but whatever. So because I messed up my little China bangs, I'm not gonna keep them because they're just too short and to me it just doesn't look good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn these into baby hairs, unfortunately. Okay. So because I feel like it would have been too crowded with baby hairs, I just slicked this part back. And because my lace is blended enough so that it works, so yeah. Now I'm just going to go ahead and, I don't know, something about my hair I still don't like. Maybe I like it once it's like all done for real. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Just literally 2 little buns or whatever. They're still not perfect, but girl, I ain't got time to be trying to be perfect. So I do have all my hair just down to the back. Bomb. So yeah. And then I was gonna put these glasses on with it. Like boom. Make sure all my hair is to the back. So yeah, I was gonna pair it with these glasses. What Papa think? Papa, you like my bundles? Am I looking like Rapunzel? Do you like my bundles? Am I looking like Rapunzel? And if you want these glasses, hit me up, because you know, yeah, tastelevels.com. Absolutely love the hair. I'm not really crazy about this hairstyle. It's definitely something that would have to like grow on me, but I still think it's cute. It's a very cute like summertime kind of look when you want to have like, you know, I just didn't want to do like the super tight buns like how she had, because I didn't necessarily like that for a lace front. And yeah, a link will be available down below for this wig unit. I believe that this wig is 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. It was a body wave texture, and yeah, you guys, it was a very simple like hairstyle. Damn gardeners. If it ain't the gardeners, it's the goddamn ice cream truck. So yeah, that about wraps up today's video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.